Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Uyu munsi wa none tugiye kwiga interuro 200 zagufasha kuvuga icyongereza neza. Niba utarakora subscribe, like, share ndetse na comment bikore mbere yuko dutangira. I am here. I am here. Ndi hano. I am there. I am there. Ndi hariya. I am inside. I am inside. Ndimo imbere. I am outside. I am outside. Ndi hanze. I am air. I am air. Naje kare cyangwa se nazindutse. I am late. I am late. Natinze cyangwa se nakerewe. I'm free. I am free. Ndidegembya. I am safe. I am safe. Ndatekanye. I'm serious. I'm serious. Ndakomeje. I am ready now. I am ready now. Nditeguye ubu. I feel strong. I feel strong. Ndumva nkomeye. I feel weak. I feel weak. Ndumva ndi umunyantege nke. I feel better. I feel better. Ndumva meze neza kurushaho. I feel worse. I feel worse. Ndumva meze nabi kurushaho. I feel worse. Ndumva meze nabi kurushaho. I feel peace. I feel peace. Ndumva amahoro. I feel joy. I feel joy. Ndumva ibyishimo. I feel hope. I feel hope. Ndumva ibyiringiro. I feel fear. I feel fear. Ndumva ubwoba. I feel love. I feel love. Ndumva urukundo. I feel pain. I feel pain. Ndumva ububabare. I like music. I like music. Nkunda umuziki. I like reading. I like reading. Nkunda gusoma. I like running. I like running. Nkunda kwiga. I like teaching. I like teaching. Nkunda kwigisha. I like helping. I like helping. Nkunda gufasha. I like helping. Nkunda gufasha. I like walking. I like walking. Nkunda gukora. I like running. I like running. Nkunda kwiruka. I like walking. I like walking. Nkunda kugenda n'amaguru. I like traveling. I like traveling. Nkunda gutembera. I like talking. I like talking. Nkunda kuvuga. I know the way. I know the way. Nzi inzira. I know the way. Nzi inzira. I know that place. I know that place. Nzi aho hantu. I know the man. I know the man. Nzi uwo mugabo. I know that woman. I know that woman. Nzi uwo mugore. I know the story. I know the story. Nzi inkuru. I know the problem. I know the problem. Nzi ikibazo. I know the problem. Nzi ikibazo. I know the solution. I know the solution. Nzi igisubizo cyangwa se umuti w'ikibazo. I know the truth. I know the truth. Nzi ukuri. I know the reason. I know the reason. Nzi impamvu. I know the plan. I know the plan. Nzi umugambi. I will start today. I will start today. Nzatangira uyu munsi. I will work tomorrow. I will work tomorrow. Nzakora ejo. I will work tomorrow. Nzakora ejo. I will call you. I will call you. Nzaguhamagara. I will visit you. I will visit you. Nzagusura. I will meet you. I will meet you. Nzahura nawe. I will meet you. Nzahura nawe. I will help you. I will help you. Nzagufasha. I will support you. I will support you. Nzagushyigikira. I will teach you. I will teach you. Nzakwigisha. I will show you. I will show you. Nzakwereka. I will guide you. I will guide you. Nzakuyobora. I can do it. I can do it. Nshobora kubikora. I can fix it. I can fix it. Nshobora kubikosora. I can solve it. I can solve it. Nshobora kubikemura. I can explain it. I can explain it. Nshobora kubisobanura. I can answer. I can answer. Nshobora gusubiza. I can answer. Nshobora gusubiza. I can improve what I do. I can improve what I do. Nshobora kunoza ibyo nkora. I can improve what I do. Nshobora kunoza ibyo nkora. I can change. I can change. Nshobora guhindura. I can learn faster. I can run faster. Nshobora kwiga vuba. I can run faster. Nshobora kwiga vuba. I can understand. I can understand. Nshobora kubyumva. I can remember. I can remember. Nshobora kubyibuka. Do it now. Do it now. Bikore ubu. Do it well. Do it well. Bikore neza. Do it well. Bikore neza. Do it again. Do it again. Ongera ubikore. Do not worry. Do not worry. Ntugire impungenge. Do not fear. Do not fear. Ntutinye. Do not stop. Do not stop. Ntuhagarare. Do not wait. Do not wait. Ntutegereze. Do not forget. Do not forget. Ntukibagirwe. Do not forget. Ntukibagirwe. Do not lie. Do not lie. Ntukabeshye. Do not quit. Do not quit. Ntucike intege. Keep going. Keep going. Komeza ugende. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Komeza useke. Keep smiling. Komeza useke. Keep running. Keep running. Komeza wige. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Komeza wizere. Keep growing. Keep growing. Komeza ukure. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. Komeza ugwane. Keep dreaming. Keep dreaming. Komeza urote. Keep dreaming. Komeza urote. Keep hoping. Keep hoping. Komeza wiringire cyangwa se komeza wizere. Keep trying. Keep trying. Komeza ugerageze. Keep working. Keep working. Komeza ukore. This is easy. This is easy. Ibi biroroshye. This is hard. This is hard. Ibi biragoye. This is good. This is good. Ibi ni byiza. This is bad. This is bad. Ibi ni bibi. This is true. This is true. Ibi ni ukuri. This is true. Ibi ni ukuri. This is long. This is long. Ibi si byo. Iyi wa ntabwo isomwa hano kuri long. This is long. Ibi si byo. This is new. This is new. Ibi ni bishya. This is old. This is old. Ibi birashaje. This is important. This is important. Ibi ni ingenzi. This is important. Ibi ni ingenzi. This is possible. This is possible. Ibi birashoboka. That is good. That is good. Ibyo ni byiza. That is bad. Ibyo ni bibi. That is true. That is true. Ibyo ni ukuri. That is clear. That is clear. Ibyo birasobanutse. That is enough. That is enough. Ibyo birahagije. That is better. That is better. Ibyo biraruta cyangwa se ibyo ni byiza cyane. That is different. That is different. Ibyo biratandukanye. That is different. Ibyo biratandukanye. That is simple. That is simple. Ibyo biroroshye. That is correct. That is correct. Ibyo ni byo. That is correct. Ibyo ni byo. That is possible. That is possible. Ibyo birashoboka. That is impossible. That is impossible. Ibyo ntibishoboka. Agace ka kabiri. I'm ready. I am ready. Nditeguye. I understand it. I understand it. Ndabyumva. I agree. I agree. Ndabyemera. I agree. Ndabyemera. I disagree. I disagree. Simbyemera. I'm tired. I am tired. Ndarushye. I am busy. I am busy. Mfite akazi cyangwa se ndahuze. I'm happy. I am happy. Ndishimye. I am sad. I am sad. Ndababaye. I am strong. I am strong. Ndakomeye. I am calm. I am calm. Ndatuje. Hano ntabwo dusoma karume, dusoma calm. I feel good. I feel good. Ndumva meze neza. I feel bad. I feel bad. Ndumva meze nabi. I need help. I need help. Nkeneye ubufasha. I need time. I need time. Nkeneye igihe. I need money. I need money. Nkeneye amafaranga. I want food. I want food. Ndashaka ibiryo. I want water. I want water. Ndashaka amazi. I want peace. I want peace. Ndashaka amahoro. I want success. I want success. Ndashaka intsinzi. I want change. I want change. Ndashaka impinduka. I can help. I can help. Nshobora gufasha. I can try. I can try. Nshobora kugerageza. I can wait. I can wait. Nshobora gutegereza. I can run. I can run. Nshobora kwiga. I can work. I can work. Nshobora gukora. I will come. I will come. Nzaza. I will go. I will go. Nzagenda. I will go. Nzagenda. I will win. I will win. Nzatsinda. I will try. I will try. Nzagerageza. Ushobora kuvuga uti I will try my best. I will try my best. Nzagerageza uko nshoboye. I will try my best. Nzagerageza uko nshoboye. I will run. Nziga. I will return. I will return. Nzagaruka. I will remember. I will remember. Nzibuka. I will improve. I will improve. Nzatera imbere. I will continue. I will continue. Nzakomeza. I will succeed. I will succeed. Nzatsinda. I believe you. I believe you. Ndakwizera. I believe you. Ndakwizera. I believe in you. I believe in you. Kwizereramo. I trust you. I trust you. Ndakwiringiye. I forgive you. I forgive you. Ndakubabariye. I respect you. I respect you. Ndakubaha. I like this. I like this. Nkunda ibi. I like that. I like that. Nkunda biriya. I love this place. I love this place. Nkunda aha hantu. I love my family. I love my family. Nkunda umuryango wanjye. I love this work. I love this work. Nkunda aka kazi. I know this. I know this. Ibi ndabizi. I know this. Ibi ndabizi. I know him. I know him. Ndamuzi. I know her. I know her. Ndamuzi w'umukobwa. Him ni umuhungu, her ni umukobwa. I know the truth. I know the truth. Nzi ukuri. I know the answer. I know the answer. Nzi igisubizo. I see you. I see you. Ndakubona. I hear you. I hear you. Ndakumva. I follow you. I follow you. Ndagukurikira. I support you. I support you. Ndagushyigikira. I protect you. I protect you. Ndakurinda. I remember you. I remember you. Ndakwibuka. I miss you. I miss you. Ndagukumbuye. I thank you. I thank you. Ndagushimira. I greet you. I greet you. Ndagusuhuje. I welcome you. I welcome you. Nkuhaye ikaze. I welcome you. Nkuhaye ikaze. Come here. Come here. Ngwino hano. Go there. Go there. Jya hariya. Sit here. Sit here. Icara hano. Stand up. Stand up. Hagarara. Wait here. Wait here. Tegerereza hano. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Umva witonze. Listen carefully. Umva witonze. Look at me. Look at me. Ndeba. Follow me. Follow me. Nkurikira. Follow me. Nkurikira. Trust me. Trust me. Nyiringira. Believe me. Believe me. Nyizera. Be strong. Be strong. Komera. Be calm. Be calm. tuza. Be patient, be patient, ihangane. Be careful, be careful, witonde. Be honest, be honest, ba inyangamugayo. Be ready, be ready, itegure. Be ready, itegure. Be happy, be happy, ishime. Be wise, be wise, ba umunyabwenge. Be kind, be kind, ba umugwaneza. Be brave, be brave, ba intwari cyangwa se umunyamurava. Do your best, do your best, kora uko ushoboye. Try again, try again, ongera ugerageze. Work hard, work hard, kora cyane. Never give up, never give up, ntuzacike intege. Keep moving, keep moving, komeza ujye imbere. Keep running, komeza wige. Keep trying, komeza ugerageze. Keep working, komeza ukore. Stay strong, stay strong, guma ukomeye. Stay focused, stay focused, guma wibanze. Think big, think big, tekereza cyane. Dream big, dream big, rota inzozi nini. Dream big, rota inzozi nini. Start now, start now, tangira ubu. Move forward, move forward, jya imbere. Take action, take action, fata icyemezo. Face fear, face fear, hangana n'ubwoba. Speak clearly, speak clearly, vuga neza. Speak slowly, speak slowly, vuga gahoro, utuje witonze. Speak truth, speak truth, vuga ukuri. Speak English, speak English, vuga icyongereza. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe and comment.